If you're installing a temperature-sensitive floor covering such as laminate or wood, a temperature-sensing floor probe will be required. A floor probe sits within your floor and is hardwired to the room thermostat. It constantly monitors the surface temperature of the floor covering, meaning your system stays within safe limits and won't overheat, damage your floor finish, or waste energy. Installing a floor probe is straightforward and carried out while you're laying out the rapid response boards. First, decide where you want your thermostat, usually on an interior wall, away from direct sunlight. Ideally, fix the thermostat at a height of around 2 meters above floor level. Next, run the probe cable from the thermostat location down into the floor, ensuring the probe cable can be safely and discreetly routed. Make a channel in the board and position the probe between 2 heating pipes, but not touching them, and at least 30 centimeters into the heated zone. Cut the aluminium away surrounding the probe. However, if you are using a self-leveling compound, the probe must be installed above the leveled surface to ensure contact with the floor covering. Temporarily fix the tail end of the probe cable out of the way to prevent any accidental damage until it's time to connect it to the thermostat. After commissioning the system, the floor covering manufacturer's floor temperature limit can be set in the Wunda Smart app. To ensure a probe is included in your bespoke Wunda Rapid Response System design, simply inform your sales advisor about your choice of floor covering when placing your order. For further help and advice, use the QR codes provided on your plan or head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.